Hi guys, please watch the full ads to support this channel. Thank you.
The National Students Financial Aid Scheme, aka Nsfas, has opened its application for the 2024 academic cycle, and you need to apply. That's why I'm here. I'm Sim Gifty, and I'm here to assist you with applications for universities and bursaries. Today, I'm going to be assisting you with the Nsfas application. Just make sure that you have this on your phone, you're watching this on your phone. I recommend that because you're going to be using your phone and watching this video like this in full screen in order for you to understand each and every step for you to complete while applying. So before we head on to the application process, please ensure that you meet all the minimum requirements for Nsfas applications. I will provide the link in the description below in order for you to be able to simply view the requirements instead of me stating them here and taking 100 years to get to the point. So without any further ado, or before we further ado, I am Sim Gifty. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure that you smash the subscribe button, like the video, and share for others to actually watch this video. If you want to know more about university applications and bursary applications, please make sure you stick around and turn on that bell icon, because in January next year, I'm coming back with more applications, especially colleges and universities. So let us go to the video without wasting any time. Let's just go.
The first step is that you're going to go to your Chrome app and type Nsfas 2024 application. Then after that, it will lead you to this page. What you're going to do is going to click here on the first link where it says Nsfas 2024 applications are officially open. Then after that, it will take you straight to the Nsfas website where you will create a brand new account in order for you to be able to apply. This website looks like this, and what you have to do is to just click on apply now. Then it will take you to this page where it says welcome to Nsfas. What you have to do is scroll. Then you have a login there in maroon color. Then there's a create profile. You click on create profile, and then you're going to load your first names as seen in your ID card. If you have two names, you can be like Simpiwe Gift. You type both of them. Then your last name is your surname. Then you type in your ID number. Then you choose your race. Are you black, white, Indian, colored, and so on, or other. Then after that, you need to have a valid email address that you need to type here. Then after that, you read and understand the T's and C's. Then you agree, you tick on the box to show that you have read. Then after that, you need to also fill in your contact number and create a password that is strong. So what is a strong password? Is a strong password I will show you shortly. Then you verify that you're not a robot. Then you click on create profile. An example of a strong password is this one, gift at 24. However, that password needs to have a total of 8 or more letters or characters, so that makes it stronger. So you need to make sure that all of these are satisfied, they're all green. Then after that, you continue. This is the page that you're going to be led to. They will send you a one-time PIN that you need to type into these boxes. Then you verify your one-time PIN. You will be led to this site where they will ask you security questions, just in case you forget your password or your login credentials, so that you're able to identify yourself and to also prevent you from scammers. Then after answering the security questions, you click on next. After answering the security questions, this is the page that you're going to see. Dear new applicant, are you ready to apply for funding? If you are ready, you click on yes. If you are not ready, you click on no. In this case, I'm going to click on yes. On this page, you will see the NBA that contains the terms and the conditions and the eligibility requirements and more information about Nsfas. You click on these boxes to show that you have read these terms and conditions for both universities and TVET colleges. Then you accept. It takes you to this page. If you're living with disabilities, you're going to click on yes. If you do not live with any disability, you click on no. After confirming your disability status, you're going to click on highest academic level achievement or achieved. Then if you have passed grade 10, you're going to click on grade 10. If you pass grade 11, you're going to click on grade 11. Or if you passed on grade 12, you're going to click grade 12, right? So if you are in grade 12, you're going to click on grade 11, because currently what you have is grade 11, not grade 12. And obviously the academic year that you are applying for is 2024, because that is the year that you're going to be funded by this scheme. Then after that, you're going to select 3 institutions that you have applied to or that you wish to go to. Then the study information, that is where you're going to choose the type of courses that you're going to do. Then if you do not find specifically your course, you can choose on adult learning and others as well. This is not restricted to a specific course. You just need to be able to choose any of the 3. Then you continue, because Nsfas covers almost any course that is available in institutions. After you click on next, obviously this is where they're going to ask for your physical address. Where do you live? You're going to give us your street number and the street name and the town that you're located in. Then you select the province that you're in. If you're from Free State, for example, you're going to select Free State. If you're from Gauteng, you do that. Then after that, you type in your postal code. Then you will click on next. On this page, it is the last page of the application process where they actually show you your application details, that they are correct. Then after that, you're going to scroll and you're going to click on submit if your information is correct. After you have submitted the application, you're going to see this page which contains terms and conditions. Again, you are going to scroll up. Then after that, you are going to agree to these terms and conditions. Then after that, you accept them. Then after applying, this is where it will show you that your application has been successfully submitted. They will give you a reference number and your application. And then you can view your application or go back to the dashboard. You can view the status of your application or go back to the dashboard where you can see the website, and if you want to know more about the eligibility requirements and so on. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel rather, and thank you once again. Share this to those who need it. See you next time.